Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we want to solve the following problem. Given a semicircle with diameter AB, point C lies on the circumference and point D lies on AB, with AD equals 4 and DB equals 20. In triangle BCD, angle BCD equals 60 degrees and CD equals X. The goal is to find X. And now for the solution. Drop DP perpendicular to BC with P on BC. Now, consider triangle BCD and segment DP. In right triangle PCD, sin 60 degrees equals DP over CD. Since sin 60 degrees equals square root 3 over 2, we have dp over x equals square root 3 over 2. So, dp equals x square root 3 over 2. Similarly, cosine 60 degrees equals Cp over Cd. Since cosine 60 degrees equals half, we have Cp over x equals half. So, Cp equals x over 2. Next, let us calculate Bp. By Pythagoras theorem in right triangle DBP, Bp square plus Pd square equals Bd square, or Bp square plus x square root 3 over 2 whole square equals 20 square. Therefore, Bp square equals 400 minus 3x square over 4. So, Bp equals square root 400 minus 3x square over 4. Next, join A to C. Now, consider triangle ABC in the semicircle. Angle BCA is an angle in a semicircle. Since an angle in a semicircle is a right angle, angle BCA equals 90 degrees. Finally, consider triangle ABC and triangle DBP. We claim that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DBP. Since angle BCA equals angle BPD equals 90 degrees, and angle B is common, the two triangles are similar by AA. Since corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional, we have BC over BP equals AB over DB, or square root 400 minus 3x squared over 4 plus x over 2 over square root 400 minus 3x squared over 4 equals 24 over 20. Cross multiplying gives 20 square root 400 minus 3x squared over 4 plus 10x equals 24 square root 400 minus 3x squared over 4, which simplifies to 2 square root 400 minus 3x squared over 4 equals 5x. After squaring both sides, we obtain 1600 minus 3x squared equals 25x squared, or 28x squared equals 1600. After dividing both sides by 28, we get x squared equals 400 over 7. Therefore, x equals 20 over square root 7, which is the answer. As an exercise, try to solve this problem and see if you can get the correct answer. This marks the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching and see you all next time.